Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Alley. My name is Carrie. Today we're going to talk about WORX. WORX is a pretty new brand in Hong Kong. Last time we talked about it was around 1 year ago when it's totally new. Most of their power tools are all supply AC power. But since after 1 year, all his lithium battery power tools have started coming out. So we're going to talk about their lithium battery power tools. This one, WU189. Metal chuck, very sturdy, very nice. And the torque control, nice and smooth and very clear indications. 2-speed 1 and 2, not bad, easy to change. Right, and then the handle is designed for, I would say Asia because this is small, very comfortable. For LED light, one right there. For the battery, the design, they're all smooth, so it looks quite small, look like a piece of sushi for me. Power indicator looks nice. Let's go into details. WORX WU189. It says 2.0 kilogram, but when I hold it, it doesn't feel that much of weight. 2.0, so okay. And for the speed, 600 to 2000 RPM. Okay. 600, 2000. This is quite fast. The torque, 60. It only gives me one manufacturer data, which is 60. I'll say that is the low speed. For the second speed, I'll say around 27 to 30. So it doesn't. For the fast speed, the torque is not that much. For the chuck, 13 millimeters in diameters. Because this can also drill tiles and bricks. The IPM is 9,000 to 32,000 IPM impact per minute. And it can drill 30 millimeters for metal, 40 millimeters for wood, 13 millimeters for bricks and tiles. Overall, I'll say WORX. My impression, it looks amazing. The black design is just good. All these parts, when they come together, they just look nice. Doesn't feel like a cheap piece of plastic. And this little black, they have their designer from Italy. So I'm not biased who do better. But the whole thing, the whole concept and the whole designs are just nice. I hope there are more products coming out. And let's go straight to the test and see what is the result. 199 in total. The winner is WU189 WORX. But still, we use first gear from the beginning to the end, but number-wise is the winner. So let's take a chance to talk a little bit about this brand. WORX, black, designed in Italy and then manufactured in China. During this year, a few new products is out, like the special feature of the impact driver for concrete and wall, the high pressure washer. But still, most commonly used in project and site is angle grinder. I think it's being manufactured right now, so I'm kind of expecting it to be selling anytime soon. And then blowers, very strong. I can see things are moving on the other side. And for DIY users, this is surprisingly pretty good. Very light in weight, very solid. I think I'm putting one in my bike because it's small. I can put it there just in case anytime I can use it. And also more impact drivers. And take a look at this. Whoa. This is called the Hammer Force. It's for more heavy duties. Also, for WORX, they have more other kind of little gadgets and tools. This is what I like about them. I can't wait to see what their product is going to be like. But if you have more ideas, what you want, how to improve, do leave a comment. We buyers have a lot of influence about manufacturers, so I'm counting on you. Leave a comment and then we can let them know what they can improve on. So hope to see you next time. Write us some comments, give us a like, share with your friends. I'll see you again soon.